Hold on.
Hi, son.
Hold on. Okay, go.
Hey, son. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Hi.
Guess what, Darian? It's gonna be your birthday in 2 days. How old are you gonna be? How old are you gonna be? Huh? What's that?
5.
5. Did you know we're celebrating your birthday today?
Yes.
Yes. Did you know that I got you a present?
Yes.
You know what I got you? What I got you?
You put this stuff in my bag so that.
Got you a bag. Happy birthday, son.
Thank you. Mario Kart.
Said it with an accent. That's cute. Do you like your present?
Yes.
Show it to the camera.
That is Mario Kart. Cute.
Mario Kart.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You can get Daddy a hug.
You love it.
Oh, enjoy your new game.